quick note about choosing your display name or your storefront name. I'm not sure exactly what it is at the time of this recording, but they're the same thing. So just going to give you some tips on choosing that. So essentially, as you're signing up for your account, it'll be right here. And just the quick tip about this is that it really doesn't matter. There are some options that you could do to maybe get some increased SEO for when your people are looking up products. If you have that as your store name and you have the buy box, which if you're doing private label, you will always have the buy box. But essentially, you could get a little lift there, but you could just do your company name, or you could just name it whatever you want. It really doesn't matter, and you can update it at any time. So as you're choosing this, you can go for, you know, an SEO approach, and then just, or whatever your brand name is perhaps, and then just go ahead and choose it. And you can always change it at any time. So just wanted to give that quick tip that don't, you know, fret over this. Just make sure that it's available, and obviously don't infringe on anybody's copyright. You know, don't put in Nike or McDonald's or anything like that. So yeah, you can just breeze through that.